Good afternoon, Palawan. I am Sharon Rose Master Nigel Arellano from Clark Imperial Center in Angeles, Pampanga. Okay. Before I go on, let me ask you, what does it take or how does one become rich? Paano ba yumayaman ang isang tao? Before anything else, let me tell you something about myself. Okay? I've been working in the government. I'm a uniform personnel from the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, 25 years working in the government. By the way, I'm a graduate of AB Economics from the University of the Assumption. So I entered the uniform service in 1994 and I retired last December 2019. I met Atomy in 2016, but at that time, I'm not that interested kasi nagwo-work ako. And then, 2 years after, we attended seminar along with my partners, and then I learned so much, and then the group kept on growing. Lumalaki yung grupo. And in 2019, I decided to file my retirement and to do Atomy. At that time, I am the chief of the Human Resources Development. I train people. I am into training. And then I became the chief of the community relations. I deal with media people. Ako po yung parang spokesperson ng regional director. I'm also a planning officer and on administrative din. I was assigned in the administrative division. That's me. And when I retired, here is me now. Oops. Yan na po ako ngayon. I don't wear the uniform na. So I also was able to travel in Taiwan. I got the opportunity to join the travel. I think I was able to visit Taiwan twice or thrice na. I also went to Korea, I think about 5 times na. Yeah, and then the last travel that I enjoyed was the Sharon Rose Master Incentive Tour in Jeju Island. Jeju Island is like Puerto Princesa, it's an island, Palawan. It's separated from Korea, but it's part of Korea. It's part of Korea. Island din po siya. So nakapunta po ako doon. Okay. Here is me when I received the promotion last March with no less than the CEO, Han Hill Park, who gave the award. Okay? Now going back to my question, how does one become rich? Paano ba yumayaman ang isang tao? Let me correct the notion, Hindi po masama ang pagyaman. Yung sobrang pagmamahal sa yaman na nagiging greedy na ang tao, yun ang mali. The love of money. Pero yung pagyaman, I don't see anything wrong. Bakit? Meron kang gustong tulungan, madali mo siyang tulungan. May pera ka eh. Mahirap, pupunta sa'yo yung tao, hingi ng tulong, wala ka maitulong. Wala pong problema sa yaman. But how do we do it? How do we become rich? Okay? Forbes magazine, in 2021, circulated the list of the Philippines top 50 rich people. Kilala niyo po yung iba dyan. I'll show you some example. Kilala niyo po yung iba. Henry C. Merong SM ba rito sa Puerto? Nagpunta na po kayo sa SM? Ang may-ari po niyan, si Henry C. Yung pong matandang Henry C. na wala na po, namatay na. Ang nagmamanage na, yung mga anak niya. Trivia. Before Henry C. established SM, do you know that he started from the bottom? He was just a shoe repairman and he has a small shoe store. He started from that. Then later on, he established a bigger shoe store, and lumaki ng lumaki, it now becomes SM. Before, it was called Shoe Mart. And after establishing SM, Henry C. and the siblings ventured into other business. They are now into banking, BDO, condominiums, SMTC. Condominium, and they built a foundation. Also, Tony Tan Tak Chong. You know Jollibee? You know before Jollibee became Jollibee, hindi pa po siya Jollibee. Ice cream parlor. Titinda siya ng ice cream. Tony Tan Tak Chong. Tapos, tinry niya yung fried chicken, nag-boom na nag-boom. You know, there are about 1,400 stores in 34 countries ng Jollibee. Pero nag-start siya sa baba. So how does one become rich? They did something. Meron silang ginawa. Hindi po sila nakaupo at naghintay ng ilang taon at yumaman sila. That's impossible. Bible also said, yung hindi nagtatrabaho, huwag pakainin. That's logical, right? Yung tamad, hindi po natin gusto na hindi siya kumain. Pero yun po yung consequence ng hindi kakain pag tamad ka. Tama? These billionaires did something of value. Meron silang tinayo na nakakatulong sa tao. Just like Atomy, when you offer fish oil, yung mga nag-testimony natin, bumuti yung kalagayan niya, bibili uli yung tao. That's why our leaders are becoming rich because people continuously buy products with value. You cannot travel without airplanes, Philippine Airlines, Lusiotan. It's with value. Henry C. established banks, established shoes, malls. Kung minsan nga, hindi naman tayo bumibili, pero nasa mall tayo. Bakit? Kasi mainit. Mag-aircon tayo dun. Jollibee is food. If you're hungry, you go to food stalls of value. Kailangan mo because you won't live without food. So yumaman po sila kasi yung ino-offer nila may value. Just like Atomy. And you know, because of pandemic, nagbago na po yung pagbili ng tao. Meron na nagbago. Now, if you are enjoying or if you want to engage in business, there are 3 questions that I'm going to answer. Okay, number 1, if you are going into business, the first question that you will ask is it timely? Napapanahon ba yung business na papasukin mo? Example, summer po ngayon. Ano po yung mabili? Halo-halo o pulburon? Summer summer. Pulburon o halo-halo? Halo-halo. Bakit? It's timely. It's summer. Right? You are in a desert. Which is saleable? Water or oatmeal? Water. Napapanahon. Now, Atomy is an online shopping mall with quality products at best affordable price. To cite an example, why is it Atomy products are saleable? Why are they of value? Sino po sa atin ang hindi nagtututbrush? We need this, right? Taas po ng kamay ang hindi nagtutbrush ngayon. Yan kayo kunwari pa kayo Alam nyo naman Huwag na lang kayo magsalita, maririnig ng katabi nyo. At aamoy niya. Is this of value? You cannot brush your teeth without a brush. Ang gagawin din mo, daliri. Ang hirap gawin nun Mag-brush ka, daliri yung ginagawa. Bumili ka na naman ng toothbrush. So when you offer people products with value, babalik at babalik sila. You have a business. It's a timely business. Right? Okay. Binago na rin po ng panahon ng pagbili. Dati, bumibili tayo, pumupunta tayo sa mall. Right? Nung mag-pandemic, nag-lockdown, di ka makapunta sa mall. Meron na pong bagong sistema ng pagbili. Ito na po sila. Familiar kayo sa online? Shopee, Lazada. Also, before we go and get the products, now it is delivered to us. Even food. Tawagin mo lang yung Grab, Food Panda, di-deliver yung food sa'yo. It's different now. Lalamove. Dati, post office, pinapadala natin. Meron na tayong Lalamove. Kahit di ka na lumabas ng bahay, pa-deliver mo sa Lalamove. Babayad ka lang. Right? Ito pang matindi. Sino po yung sumasayaw at nagtitiktok? Ting, 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 ting. Ting, 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 ting. Tawa kayo, alam nyo eh. Yung ang anak nyo, hindi na natutulog sa kakatiktok eh. But do you know, TikTok now has a shop. It's not all dancing. It sells. You can sell via TikTok. It's different. Now we have Atomy, an online shopping mall where we can buy basic necessities at affordable prices. Magkano po to? It's around 55 pesos. Kaya bang bilhin ng tao? Huwag mong bilhin ito. Anong mangyayari sa'yo? Huwag ka mag-toothbrush. What will happen to you? Babahong hininga mo. Eventually, bibili ka rin. See? I told you. Because it's basic necessity. Toothbrush, how much is this? The same. More or less 58 pesos. Punta po kayo sa grocery, yung pinaka-quality na toothbrush. How much is it? Meron pang slim bristles with charcoal, 200, 150. It's only 58 pesos. And you can find that, you can buy that in Atomy online. Just like Lazada or Shopee, you can buy it online. Do not go out. Let Atomy deliver the product to you. Is it timely? Napapanahon ba? Yes. You want to be rich? Engage in business that is timely. Number 2. Why are they are quality? Why are they quality? Because of these two big companies. Colmar, yung mga women na mahilig sa beauty products, you can be confident with Atomy because Colmar produces beauty products for 100 years na. They are quality. And all you know, yung mga branded products na binibili mo, gawa pala ng Colmar, hindi pala gawa ng ibang bansa. Korea pala yun. And then we have a research arm, the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. You can be assured that the products are quality and well-researched because of KERI. KERI, katumbas po nito sa US, NASA. Yung mga nagpapalipad ng spaceship, outer space, US is NASA, Korea is KERI. Here in the Philippines, it's like DOST. Merong nagre-research. Okay. Second question. So if Atomy is timely, gusto kong mag-engage sa business, gawin ng business para yumaman, how much do I invest? Magkano ang babayaran ko? Here is good news. When you invest in Jollibee, more or less, siguro kailangan may 80 million ka. Sino po may 80 million dito? Sabi ko na, wala eh. Sinong gustong bumili ng eroplano ng Philippine Airlines? May pera kayo? Ayan. See? Ito, may babalita ako sa inyo. May babalita ako sa inyo. When you join Atomy, how much do you invest? The good news is, nothing. Yung pong bumibili sa Lazada, you are only a buyer. You don't earn because you don't own Lazada. Right? But in Atomy, when you become a member, you become part owner of the company. There is no membership fee, walang monthly fee, walang quota. The company does not force you to buy every month. You just buy what you need. Even if you don't buy this, whether you like it or not, kapag naubos yung ginagamit mo na toothpaste, bibili ka rin. Ba't di pa ito ang bilhin mo? Kikita ka. So, sabi ng iba, sir, 1 taon na ako member sa Atomy, hindi ako kumita. Bakit? Di ka rin naman nawalan. Kasi libre naman ang membership fee, walang risk. So paano ka natalo? Unlike other companies, nag-member ka 30,000, 8,000, 12,000. Nung hindi ka kumita, wala na, natalo ka na. Nag-member ka na, 12,000 ang binigay mo. In Atomy, when you become a member and you do the business, you don't risk anything because it's free. Walang automatic shipment. Walang automatic order. Walang website fee. It's free. Kaya lang may gagawin ka. Paano? Just like billionaires. They started from scratch with hard work and later on, lumaki yung business. Later, I will show you how. Okay? Third question. Is it timely? Yes, online siya. How much do I invest? Nothing. It's free. Third question. Is it doable? Kaya mo pang gawin ang business. Okay? Para mag-umunlad po ang business na to, you must follow the success system. The company designed a success system para sa mga gustong gagawa. Meron pong seminar like this. Merong webinar, merong seminar, may webinar. Kunwari, may kakilala ka malayo. Nasa Davao, nasa La Union, nasa Ilocos. Hindi sila makapag-attend dito. Merong webinar. At kung merong kayong kakilala malapit sa Quezon City, merong pick-up center. Pwede sila mag-attend doon. It is designed for everyone to learn how to do the business. Napakasimple po. You want to be an engineer. You want to learn engineering. Saan ka pupunta para makapag-aral? Sa university, sa school, right? Gusto mo ng carpentry, gusto mo ng basic electricity. Punta ka, mag-training ka sa TESDA. Nagtuturo sila. The same with Atomy. Gusto mo siyang gawin at maging mayaman, mag-attend ka ng seminar. Ano po yung gagawin mo? Build consumers. Paano yung sinasabi nilang build consumers? Ma'am, pwede akong mag-request? Kayo pong dalawa, ma'am. Ma'am? Okay. Ito po yung sinasabing build consumers. From me, ma'am, dito ka. Na-register ko sa ma'am, sa right. Na-register ko siya. Na-register ko si madam. So right ko to, left ko to. Every time na bumibili si madam, nagkakaroon siya ng points. Every time na bumibili din siya, doon siya sa online, nagkakaroon din siya ng points. Pag bumibili ako, nagkakaroon din ako ng points. Pag nagtambakan na yung points ko, nagtambakan na yung points niya, nag-match ngayon yung 300,000, mabibigyan ako ng 2,400. So kung madalas siyang bumibili, palaging nagmamatch yung mga points, palagi akong may 2,400. Anong binibili nila? I-recommenda mo yung toothpaste. Sa nanay mo, sa kamag-anak mo, sa friends mo, sa mga kabarkada mo, sa mga karotary mo, sa kasumba mo, sa ka-senior citizens association mo, sabihin mo sa kanila, merong Atomy, pwede silang mag-member na libre, quality products at affordable prices, and then I earn. Hindi lang po ako. Si madam, in-inform niya yung kaibigan niya, nagkaroon siya ng left, nagkaroon siya ng right, nagkaroon ng 300,000 sa left, 300,000 points sa right, meron siyang 2,500, 2,400. Ganon din si madam. Hanggang parami. That's why we made an orientation or one-day seminar in Palawan. This is the first time in Palawan, and I am privileged enough to be the first speaker in Palawan. Because many leaders and members are being a member in Palawan. Not only in Palawan, may kakilala ka from north to south. Register mo sila, wala naman wawala. Bakit free? You make consumers. Sige, thank you, ma'am. Ang secret po ng business, kahit nagtayo si Henry C. ng SM, kung walang bumibili sa mall, babagsak yung business. Nag-establish si Lucio Tan ng Philippine Airlines, kung walang sumasakay, walang kita ang airlines. Meron kang business na online, that's Atomy. Wala namang consumers. Walang leaders. You don't earn. It's not in the number ng nire-register kung hindi sa bumibili. Another thing. Okay? Is it timely? Yes. Does it have a funding investment? No, it's free. Can it be done? Pwede ba siyang gawin? Pwede. Sino po ang may kakilala rito 10 tao? Siyempre, si nanay mo, si tatay mo, malamang hindi mo kakilala. Alangan naman hindi mo kakilala. Si nanay mo, may kapatid siya. Malamang kakilala mo rin. Si tatay mo, may mga kapatid din siya. More than 10. You know, the average person, how many that average person knows? Around 250. 250 persons, one person ang kakilala niya. So, kung marami kang kakilala, inform them, put them on your left, other people put them on your right, and then if they buy products, remember, hindi po paramihan ng narirehistro. Paramihan ng narirehistro na bumibili. Narehistro mo 50 sa left, narehistro mo 50 sa right. Isang taon, walang bumili. Wala kang komisyon. Kasi ang buhay ng business nasa sale ng product, hindi sa mga tao na nagre-rehistro. This is the problem of other businesses. Kinukuha nila yung commission dun sa membership fee na nagre-register. Na kapag huminto yung nagre-register, wala ka ng kita. Bakit? Kinukuha kasi yung commission mo dun sa mga tao na pumapasok. Eh wala nang pumapasok. Wala nang kita. Pero ang company, hindi po hihinto yung commission mo. Bakit? Mawawalan ka ng komisyon kung hihinto na yung tao mag-toothbrush. Kailan po yun? Ngayon, meron. Merong hindi nag-toothbrush ngayon. Hindi lang siya nagpapahalata. Nandyan siya, nakaupo sa gitna natin. Pero joke lang po yun. So, you recommend this to your relatives, to your friends, they register, and the points are not small. Alam nyo ba yung isang box nito? Sa halagang 230 pesos, 4. Nasa 2,700 points. 2,700 points sa halagang 230. Bibigyan kita ng 230, punta ka sa mall, hindi po mabibigyan yung card mo ng 2,000 points sa halagang 230. You will be only given, I think, 1 point or 2 points. Remember the card? The card given by malls, 230, 1 point. In Atomy, 230 pesos, 2,700. Kaya ang daling mabuo nung 300,000 points and then you earn. The company gives back to you what you spend. Can it be done? Kaya bang gawin? May kakilala po kayo. Can you tell them? It's not selling. You tell them. You disseminate the information. You share. You tell them na merong company ganito. You become a member. Then tell them, pag dumami yung bumibili, you earn. Kailangan po natin ng pera. Think about this. It's hard to be broke. Ang hirap ng walang pera. And it's hard to build wealth. Both things are hard. Which do you choose? Mahirap pong walang pera. Mahirap din ang mag-business para gumawa ng pera. Pero yung dalawang yon mahirap. Anong gusto mo sa dalawa? Yung walang pera o yung mahirap mag-business pero may chance kang kumita? O gusto mo manatili ka na lang na walang pera? Ikaw lang yan, ako ayoko. Gusto ko may pera. Okay? So how do we do it? Paramihin mo ng paramihin yung consumers mo. And another thing, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas. Kung meron kang kamag-anak sa Amerika, sa Japan, sa Singapore, sa Malaysia, sa Australia, sa New Zealand, sa Canada, they can also register as members and then they buy there. Yung kamag-anak mo sa Hong Kong, bumibili siya doon. Yung points pumapasok and then you earn. Our role is to tell them. If you don't do anything, then you will remain broke without money. And mind you, prices increases. There was never a time na yung presyo ng mga bilihin bumaba at nagkasya yung kinikita mo. Kailangan may other source ka. Make Atomy your other source of income. Can it be done? Kaya ba siyang gawin? Masasabihan mo ba yung katabing bahay mo? Kesa pag-usapan ninyo yung buhay ng may buhay, Atomy na lang ang kwento mo sa kanila. I-marites mo si Atomy. Ikaw si Marites, inform mo si Marivic. Inform mo si Marisol, yung Mari mong sulsol. Inform mo si Marites. Mare, ano nang latest? Inform mo rin siya. Gawin mo siyang member. And then you earn. Okay? How do we do it? We tell people, and then we make consumers. Don't you worry, sandali lang po ako. Okay, finally, please, all eyes, I know who this person is. Kilala niyo po siya? Yung paghihirap na dinaanan niya bago niya marating kung ano siya ngayon. No pain, no gain. You all know who this person is. Now, he is this person. In my research, Manny Pacquiao now, as of 2023, his net worth is $375 million. Dating wala, dating patpatin, pero dahil gusto niyang marating, yung gusto niyang marating, eto na siya ngayon. And here is the important thing. Hindi po siya nag-stick sa kinikita niyang boxing. Nag-invest siya ng ibang businesses. Because when he invested his money in other businesses, kumikita siya even doing nothing. It's passive income. That's Atomy. When you tell people, when they buy, all over the world they buy, even if wala ka nang ginagawa, bumibili na sila, consumer na sila, you earn. That's passive income. Ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon, whatever you do now, you have work now, you have a side job now, add Atomy. Do Atomy on the side. Because later on, who knows, your job, in the years to come, baka mawala. It happened already during pandemic. Many jobs were lost. Restaurants closed. Right? Malls closed. They lost their job. But if you have another source of income, during pandemic, online businesses earned so much. They are inside their houses, they buy online, people are earning. Do it now. Not tomorrow, do it now. There is something that you need to do. Okay? This is my last message for everyone. You need to be certain why you are doing a business. Bakit mo siya ginagawa? Motivation is what gets you started. You want to do Atomy business? Make sure why you are doing it. Do you love your family? Do it for them. Kung ikaw meron ka ng savings para sa kanila, sa mga anak mo, wala pa silang savings. Do Atomy now to have savings. Commitment is what keeps you there. The reason why many give up, because they are not committed. Now, when you engage in business, make certain why are you doing it. For whom? Sabi nga, kanino ka bumabangon? Bakit ka nagtatrabaho? Kanino ka bumabangon? Para sa pamilya, para sa pangarap, para sa passive income, para sa gusto mong marating. Motivation is what gets us started. Commitment is what keeps us going. Kailangan lang committed ka. Alam niyo yung committed? Magbigay po ako ng example. Sinong gustong yumaman dito? Woo! Sinong gustong yumaman dito? Kasi interesado po kayo, di ba? Gusto niyong yumaman. Eto ang pangalawang tanong. Sinong mag-a-attend next week? Ay, may lakad ako. Maglalaba ako. Ay, hindi ako pwede kasi may party akong dadaluhin. Interested ka lang. Hindi ka committed. You see the difference? You see the difference? You want to learn something, then attend seminars. You are interested in becoming a millionaire, don't just raise your hand. Be committed to it. Attend seminars, attend webinars, learn the system, learn Atomy. Be committed. And you will not give up. Don't just be interested. Commit yourself to it. And commitment is what will keep you going. This is Sharon Rosemaster, Nigel Arellano. Thank you very much and good afternoon po sa inyo lahat.